All right, so we have 2 cans of our white tuna. Go ahead and break that up a little bit because we don't want that big of chunks. Go ahead and move it to the side. I have some red purple onions that I diced up. This is about 4 tablespoons of red onion. Now I'm gonna grab 4 tablespoons of celery right in there. Now, if you don't like tuna, you can use canned chicken. It's a great substitute for tuna. Now we have some real mayo. Give that a good shake. And we're gonna use about 4 tablespoons of real mayo. Maybe a little bit extra because I really like mayo. But yeah, it's easy to remember. 2 cans of tuna, 4 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. Yummy. Now I'm gonna grab some dill. Ooh, you gotta love dill. And this is just gonna add a nice flavor to our recipe. You know what? I was gonna use scissors, but this just cuts up so easily. You can just pick it right off and put it right into here. And I'm just gonna eyeball the amount of dill. You can put as little or as much as you want. And if you don't even like dill, you don't even have to put it in there. But I just think it, like I said, it adds a nice little flavor to our recipe. Whoa, you guys are gonna really like this. It's so easy, so delicious. It's a crowd pleaser at parties, and it literally takes just a few minutes to make it. Less than 5 minutes to make it, I'm gonna say. Okay, get a good amount of dill in there. Beautiful. Now, you guys know I have to add garlic flavoring to everything, so I have some garlic powder. We're just gonna put a generous amount in there. Beautiful. I don't give measurements for my seasonings because everyone likes their things seasoned differently. Now I'm gonna do some black pepper. Add it to the whole dish. Oh yeah. Perfect. And of course, we're gonna add a little bit of salt because you need salt with tuna. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go ahead and mix this all together to create a yummy and easy kind of tuna sandwich filling, but that's not just what we're making. We're making something more special than just a tuna sandwich. Okay, that looks delicious, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes. While that's in the fridge, I'm gonna grab my artisan bread and we're gonna grab a few slices out of here. Just as many as you want to make servings. Beautiful. And with this bread, we're gonna lay it out on our cutting board, just like this. And I have here a round cookie cutter that's just gonna fit perfectly on our slices of bread. And we're gonna cut that circle right out of our bread, just like this. Beautiful. Now we're gonna quickly do that with our 8 slices of bread. Now, if you have more party guests than 8 coming over, well then obviously you can make more than 8. I think there's plenty of bread in that loaf to make as many as you like. I just wanna make the perfect amount for my family, and that is 8. So let's go ahead and finish up these cuts. And if you wanna make it extra fun, you could even use like a heart-shaped cookie cutter or a star-shaped cookie cutter. Halloween's coming up, you could do a pumpkin-shaped cookie cutter or a ghost. I do have a ghost cookie cutter, so maybe when Halloween gets closer, I'll make these again with the ghost cookie cutter. But for now, we're just gonna do the round classic shape because that's just what's gonna go best for the occasion. All right, so we're gonna put our cutting board to the side, grab our beautiful serving platter, our 8 little bread circles, and we're just gonna place them on our serving platter, just like this. Perfect. Okay, now these are ready for our tuna sandwich mixture. All right, we grabbed that tuna sandwich mixture out of the fridge, and I grabbed an ice cream scooper, and we're gonna go ahead and grab a scoop of that mixture, just like that, and put it right on top of our little bread circles. I bet you guys can see what I'm doing now. We're making little tuna sandwich appetizers. They're just the perfect appetizer size before a full dinner or a full lunch. But like I said earlier, you could make this as a lunch and just eat multiples of them. But this is gonna be so good, and just wait to see what we top them with. It's gonna make them extra delicious. Ooh, that one has a lot of celery. Now for toppings, I have some fresh green lettuce, and we are just gonna put a little piece of lettuce on each one just to add a little extra crunch factor. And then we're gonna add one more thing to just garnish it, make it extra beautiful. This is totally optional. Obviously, these would be delicious without any extra toppings, but if it's an appetizer at my house, it needs to look pretty. Also, you have the option of toasting your little bread rounds, but I'm in a pinch and I know it's gonna taste good even without the bread being toasted. All right, now we have some cherry tomatoes that I cut in half, and these babies are what's gonna top these off and make them look like the gorgeous appetizers I want them to be. Look how cute these are. Oh my, you cannot tell me you wouldn't be so happy to eat one of these at a party or serve these at your own party. This is gonna be great for, any holiday parties you have coming up, or even just for a little summertime appetizer, because we have a few more weeks of summer, so let's enjoy. All right, you guys, I am not gonna give this one a taste because I do need to save them for the people coming over, but enjoy.